What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing awesome. So today we're gonna do a small little accessory on a Jeep Gladiator. It's gonna be a pretty short video, small modification. So let's go in the garage and get it, and we'll get some couple tools that we need for this project. All right, let's get a couple of tools that we need for this little project. We'll grab a couple screwdrivers and yeah, it should be a pretty easy project. And as you can see, we got this grill insert for the Jeep grill, so I think it will look pretty awesome. All right, let's go. Rainy day today. Weather sucks, but we do need the rain, you know. So I got this grill insert at Amazon. They have different designs that you want to pick, but we chose with American flag. So basically that's what you're gonna get in the box, just a grill insert. That's it. No hardware, no any kind of instruction, nothing like that, just one piece. So let's pop the hood. That's another thing I hate about Jeeps, that it's so easy to access to your engine. Just anybody could just come in here and open the hood. But I actually saw on Amazon that they have actual lock thingies where you could actually lock it with a key, and then nobody could just pop the hood. All right. Alrighty, that's done. So now we need to remove the actual grill. There's totally 6 plastic pins. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6 of them. So let's go ahead and pop them out. All right, got one. All right, so we removed all 6 plastic pins. So now we need to remove the actual grill itself. Man, this thing is annoying. It's too loud. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. It's raining today. Anyways, let's try to remove grill. There you go. Pull towards you. Okay. And at the bottom that's where it goes in. So that's my first time, guys, so there you go. Okay. What the heck? Okay, got it. I see it now. All right, see all these pins up here? They all were inside this frame. So here you guys have it. We removed the grill. Man, that's pretty cool. This is cool. Let's put it up here for right now. Man, that thing looks ugly like this without grill. And as you can see, guys, it already has bunch of bugs and guts on your radiator. It looks dirty. So before we're gonna put all the grill back on, we're gonna do a good cleaning here. But yeah, with this insert, not only it will look awesome on a car, on a truck, but it also will prevent from all this bugs and guts in there, because when you look at it, it looks just ugly. So I'll show you two different ways how you insert this, put this insert in your grill. You could either remove this factory honeycomb grill pieces and put your insert, but then you have a big gap up here between your grill and your insert, and it just doesn't look good at all. Or you could do just put it up here, leave this factory honeycomb pieces there, and it just looks a little bit way better. The only thing we're gonna do different is we're gonna take these two screws out, and we're actually gonna screw it in to the grill. That way it sits there, it's not gonna move anywhere, and you won't have a huge gap as well. So that's the plan, guys. So yeah, let's do it. We need this screwdriver. All right, you could either go bottom or at the top. I think I'm gonna go with the bottom screws, because in the future I'm thinking to install the amber lights in here. So if I will screw it in too tight, the amber lights would not have as much space here. So so we're gonna go with the this is not gonna work. We need to get a different tool. So let me get a different tool. Let's take this screws out. All right, so we removed two screws out from the factory grill to install this insert. We need to screw it in, but the screws would not fit into this holes, so we have to make a hole a little bit bigger. So that's why I grab my drill here. So we have to see where the screw is gonna go to. All right, perfect. Now we could put the insert in. Screw it back in. Yeah, I've seen some worse, pretty bad stuff, like all this bugs in here. It looks absolutely horrible. So yeah, with this insert, we're definitely not gonna have all this guts everywhere. And if there would be some kind of bugs on all that, it's easier to clean that than on a radiator, because those like little things up there, you can't really get there and remove them. I tell you what, the bugs, I think, is the worst thing ever to clean. I mean, I could be wrong. I mean, hair like a pet hair, inside is worse to clean too. I don't know which one is worstest, either bug guts or the hair, pet hair. I'd say cleaning hair pads inside is the worstest than bug guts. Comment below and then my video, tell me what you guys think, which one is the worstest, cleaning bug guts or pet hair inside your vehicle. They're both pretty bad, but I think hair is a little bit the worstest to remove. Alright guys, it looks nice and clean. Man, it still looks ugly as hell without grill. But let's put the grill back on. Alright. Put it on. And then line up all them clips to the frame up here. And like I said, whenever you're taking it out, don't just yank it, because you could break off any of them clips. So gently pull out them clips out of the frame. And let's pop back on. All right, and you'll feel the pop, and it's all snug back there. All right. Good. Now we put in those 6 plastic clips back on, and we should be good. Alrighty guys, we are finished with this project. Turns out pretty awesome and it looks nice. As you saw, it's pretty simple, pretty easy installation. Go get yours and install it, so it will look nice and prevent from all the bugs and guts into your radiator. So yeah, looks nice. I'm out guys. Thank you for tuning in with me with this little video, and I'll catch you for the next one. Peace out.